Hello and welcome back to DaveTech. In today's quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how to download the XYZ player application for an Android TV, maybe a TV box, or even a Google TV. Any device running the Android operating system will be compatible with this method. This is a code method and you'll be using the download application to download your app. The download application is this right here, and if you do not have it already, check the link in the description for a quick tutorial that will show you how to download this application to your Android TV. When downloaded, click on it to open and go to the Home tab. You're going to be prompted to put in the code. The code for our XYZ application is 3517349. So 3517349. Ensure the code is correct, double check if you need to, and click on go. Now you'll be redirected to this site. Just wait for 5 seconds, and after that you go to the mediafire.com website. From there, your download link will be activated. This is it right here. Click on download and your download should begin swiftly. Now, a progress bar will appear. When it loads up and is complete, you can proceed to install the application to your smart TV, or rather into your Android TV. Delete the package file if needed, and that will save space on your Android TV. That's been it for this quick tutorial. If you found value in it, hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.